Hello students, welcome back to class. Teacher Charles, and we are going to study another English pronunciation lesson. We're going to learn about the American strong R. The way the English, the British, and the Australians say their R is different from the way the Americans say our R. And so we have what's called a strong R. Why? Because the R sound is That's the R sound. The R sound is not The R sound is Can you do that? R. The name of the letter is R. The sound of the letter is Can you say that? And so look at your screen. An R-controlled vowel is any vowel followed by an R. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And so any vowel that is followed by an R, that has an R after the vowel, the R is stronger than the vowel. The R changes the sound that vowel makes. R-controlled vowels are often called the bossy R because the R takes over and makes the vowel say a new sound. So remember, when we're studying the letter E is very strong. The letter E can make the G and the C and other vowels change their sound. The same with the letter R, is very strong too. And so the letter R can make any vowel change the sound to be like the R sound. All right? And so look, there are many of them. One of them is O-R. All right, look at this. So just say this after me. O-R, or. You see the O-R, say it after me. Storm. Sword. My man, sword. The W is silent. Sword. Sport. Torch. Porch. Scorn. Fork. Pork. Port. Cork. Horse. Thorn. North. Short. Acorn. 40. Or. The O-R makes the or. Can you do that? You say it in your throat. Or. Here's two more. E-R and I-R. E-R makes the O-R is or. E-R is Say it after me. Her. Clerk. Germ. Term. Spider. Ladder. Feather. Swerve. Finger. Tiger. Stern. Stern, the N sound, stern. Nerve, the V sound, nerve. Water, the T makes the D sound, water or water. Hammer, paper. So when you see the O-R sound, you know the O-R letters, you know it's or. When you see the E-R letters, you know it's When you see the I-R letters, also makes the sound. It makes the same sound as E-R. Say these after me. Shirt. Say the final consonant. Shirt. Squirt. Birth. Skirt. Squirrel. Birthday. Girl. Dirt. Circle. Stir. bird, chirp, third, So ER makes the sound, and IR makes the sound. So when you see the IR probably makes the sound. There are some exceptions. Remember, when you study English grammar rules or English pronunciation rules, there are always a time when this is not how we do it. But most of the time, this is how we do it. ER, IR, How about UR? When you see the UR is also the same sound. Can you say that? Say it after me. Or, Say the words. Turkey. Turkey. The T makes the T sound. Turkey. And purple. Spurt. Turtle. Remember, I told you if there is a T in the middle of the word, we can pronounce it with the T sound, turtle, but usually we pronounce it with the D sound, turtle. Blurt. Purse. Nurse. Hurt. Church. Turn. Curb. Curtain. Fur. All right, so if you see the ER, the IR, or the UR, it usually makes the sound. OR makes the OR sound. AR makes the R sound. Or, R. Say those. Or, R. Say this after me. Harp. Don't forget the final consonant sound. Harp. Barn. Cards. DS. Cards. Cards. Farm. Car. Bar. Far. Marbles. Yard. Yarn. Shark. Garden. Star. Scar. Scarf. You have to put the F, otherwise it sounds like scar. Scarf. Heart. You have to make the T sound. Heart. Smart. All right? The British way and the Australian way would say ska, hot, yard. They would say but the R makes the R does not make the sound. The A makes the sound. The R makes the sound. R. And so R. And so what are the sounds? OR, or. ER, IR, Doikinia. UR, Doikinia. AR, R. All right? Say these after me. It is not hard to play a sport. It is not hard to play a sport. The girl had a new skirt on today. The bird flew over the church. It is dark out when I see the stars. I see her eat the corn with a fork. The dog has curly hair. The dog has curly fur. wash your hands, or you might share your germs. So these are all different R sounds. And so your homework is I want you to read these. I want you to read these sentences, and I want to hear you say the proper pronunciation of the R sound. So you look below, A-R, R. O-R, or. E-R, U-R, I-R, All right? This is a very good lesson that will help you with your English pronunciation.